everyone. My 2025 end was disastrous because of nerve infection, and ever since that, I have only wished for my 2026 to have good and healthy skin. Now, my only question is, what do celebrities really do that they have this glowing skin, but you and I, in spite of using multiple skincare products, we sort of don't have? What is the issue here? Now, I know celebrities go for like multiple spas, facials, treatments, and all of those things. But for a daily, for people who don't want to get facials as often, we also want to have that dewy skin. Because even though I have no makeup on right now, पसीने के अलावा मुझे वो ग्लो नहीं आ रहा है. So in today's video we're going to figure out why do these celebrities have this glowing skin all the time. Like let's take Alia Bhatt as an example and see her event looks. She looks spot on. Her skin is always this glassy, dewy finish wala skin. And don't get me wrong, I really try to replicate it, like doing like multiple skincare layers and then like highlighters, strobe creams and whatnot. But then it becomes way too much, like a lot of layers to deal with to get that same glow. It actually becomes too much on the skin, especially in this heat. Forget heat, I actually went to Shimla 2 weeks before. I don't know if it was the weather or me like layering a lot of products to get that glowing dewy skin. My glow to dur ki baat hai, I literally came up with a lot of acne. And then I understood that actually my skin cannot take so many layers. Maybe it's my skin, maybe dry skin people can do that, but for me, for my combination skin, it really does not accept that and it gives me a lot of acne. So I'm trying to minimize all these layers and just replace it with a few products, 1 or 2 at max. If you apply way too much of moisturizer also, it will start pilling your makeup. So alone skincare really might not do the job. And then we come to makeup, which is literally 3 other layers, which is like a strobe cream. Even before that, an illuminating primer. After all the makeup is done, a highlighter, like a liquid one or a powder one to finish and set it off. While I agree I do that on full glam makeup looks, I really want to do something for the daily routine as well. Now, so how do you come to a middle ground? We need to figure what comes before the makeup that can be done so well that can give like an instant glow without too many layers. And for this exact question, I am making this video today because I'm going to test a product that basically answers this question. Do these instant glow products actually work? And if yes, where is the goddamn proof? So for today's video, I found out these luminizing creams on the internet which apparently give this instant glow without any oiliness. I'm actually going to be creating a line on my face and using this on only one side to see if there's an actual difference or not. I'm actually talking about the new L'Oreal Paris Glycolic Bright Luminizing Matte Cream, and it is freaking pink. It is already very cute that it is pink, but let's test the product for real. It says that it's a cream to give instant glow, but it also leaves this matte luminous finish, which I fully don't understand, but let's try. I'm going to take this pink cream out. God, I love the texture and don't want to ruin it. It's velvety. I'm going to put on my hand and see first. It's oddly cooling. I love how smooth this feels. Somehow I can see this instant glow. I do see a slight iridescence to it, so it does shine. I'm actually going to apply it on one side and see how well it blends. Literally going to take the other side, not the one that the sun is shining on. And it's blending in very quickly. I actually also feel like even though it's velvety, it is pretty lightweight on the skin, and oddly it is very cooling and very hydrating. And genuinely, no kidding, I promise I have moisturizers and they are not as hydrating as this one felt. I'm not sure of the professional camera, but I can actually see a difference in my iPhone. There's this line where I can see so much of a glowing face here, and here it's like it's done something. I actually took the camera on this side to show you the difference, because look at this side. This is glowing literally, and this side is matte, and now the sun is hitting my face directly, which means the light is not from one side, and this side literally looks way brighter than this. This side also looks a lot more like glowing, and this side is pretty normal. Like yes, I can go out like this, but if I could go out like this, I would much rather choose this side. It's giving me that nice shine. Like look at that. I don't think I'm getting it here. And somehow it's not too much. Like I understand the concept of glow, but that is not too much, and it still gives like a matte even finish. Okay, you have done something, L'Oreal, but now I'm gonna go and test out a regular moisturizer on this side. मुझे बैठ ही नहीं रहे दिमाग में कि this side is literally just the one cream. Man, I can't take my eyes off this side because it's glowing. Simple moisturizer on the other side, a good amount. Guys, I've applied both the creams. The time right now is 4:38. I'm gonna come in after 5 minutes to see if both the sides are still glowing. It is 4:57, which is like 20 minutes later, and this is without the sun. I can still see this one shining. I do feel like a regular moisturizer moisturizes, but like for 5 minutes. Like I said before, this one oddly feels very hydrating. Like it still feels not sticky at all. I'm actually going to apply a foundation on both sides for us to compare how this will look under makeup. Now the one with just the regular moisturizer first. This one's the one with the matte luminizing cream. I'm going to take you to a better lighting. Needless to say what is happening here, because look at this side ka glow and look at this side ka like normal. I like this side as well. It is moisturized, it has makeup, But the glow without a highlighter, without an illuminating primer, without a strobe cream is definitely on this side. Can you see that? There's a clear brighter difference on this side. This side is the matte luminizing cream side and this side is the moisturizer side. I promise I was ready to say that why these instant glow creams do not work, but I think I've proven wrong. Because the makeup does sit well on both the sides, obviously, because they're moisturized well. It's a cream in the end. But this side I can see a subtle glow, like a subtle shine. Basically what's happening, like a filter like glow, like sort of a shiny filter on this side. I feel like my skin is looking glowing in a healthy way on this side, which is pretty much what I want these summers. And this is what I want for an everyday look. This is great, but it's pretty matte, and this is matte but also has like a tinge of glow that I just the perfect amount of glow that I want. I swear I'm equally surprised because I always feel like these things are scam, but this does the job. It basically is like a strobe cream plus highlighter plus like a primer all in one, because I think the makeup sits very well on like a velvety surface. That just adds to like the plus points of this cream. This also has glycolic acid, which works on over time, like improving those dark spots, and I feel like I have a lot of those, especially after my acne got treated with. The dark spots are literally a lot. Not gonna lie, I did not expect this to work out, but now that it did, I approve of it because it genuinely showed a proof to me. I have the white line still on, which is why I'm actually heading to Jaisalmer very soon, which is literally tomorrow, and I'm going for a wedding. And I'm definitely keeping this because oh my god, this is gonna look so good under my makeup, and on days or in functions in between when I'm not wearing any makeup, this just could be it. Final verdict, I think this is definitely a proof for a daily makeup glow, but now that I'm also going to a wedding, I think I'm definitely adding this to my makeup pouch. And let me remind you, it's pink again. Guys, I know that this video is sponsored, but if you can literally see the glow, which is subtle and not too much in the eye, that glittery shimmery thing, then I think what is wrong, because we found the product. Girls, I think if you all are finding out what to apply before your makeup, this one is really it. And in fact, if you don't apply any makeup and just want a little bit of glow without any highlighters and strobe creams, then this makes more sense than ever. Thank you for watching. If you do have any questions about it, please let me know in the comments. I am happy to answer, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.